What's up guys, Brian here, aka Tech and Gaming, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to kind of diagnose if your computer crashes on cold boot or the first startup of the day, but then works perfectly fine afterwards. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so when you have your computer on, and after obviously the first crash and everything's working fine again, that tells us that it's a startup issue with some sort of driver that's not working properly with other drivers. So what we're going to do is we're going to disable everything that works on startup. So there's two different sections that you have to go to for this. The first thing we're going to want to do is bring up our task manager. So we can either go right clicking on the taskbar and go task manager, or we can go control delete and bring it up that way. So it's going to right click and go task manager. Now you're going to want to click on startup. And all of these you want to right click, and mine say enable because I already have them disabled. But you're going to want to click disable on every single one of these. The only ones I don't have disabled are Windows Defender notifications and Windows Host Processing. If it's after this, if it's still crashing for you guys, I would disable them just to try and see if that works for you as well. As well as I have my Razer Kraken Chroma app still enabled. But you just right click and you go disable. So let's disable it for now. So once you have everything in here disabled, just close out of that. What you want to do is type in msconfig to bring up the system configuration. And now that we have that up, what you want to do is uncheck the load startup items and then click apply. Now that's going to keep being checked again every time you go into it, but now it's still telling it not to do it. Now you want to go to services, not startup. You want to click hide all Microsoft services. And now everything that's left is all of your startup by programs and drivers that you've installed yourself or that have come pre-installed for your graphics drivers, your audio, your whatever. So just click on the disable all button, and that's going to disable every single extra driver that you don't need to run Windows. So then you go okay. And it's going to ask you to restart the computer. You want to actually do this a couple times so it remembers to keep it disabled. It actually says to disable it. We'll actually show you guys. msconfig services hide all. So click on that. And we'll go disable all and go apply okay. So you may need to restart your computer to apply these changes. Before restarting, save all open files and close programs. So we won't restart it right now, obviously, because I'm recording and that would fail miserably. Do restart it a few times just in case if nothing, it didn't save itself for whatever reason. So it's going to go exit without restarting. So now, wait a couple days and see if anything crashes. If nothing crashes, then you can start enabling the drivers one at a time. And if you guys come across a crash, then disable that one driver you just enabled, and you'll be able to figure out what program is causing your computer to crash. Now, everyone's going to be different depending on what softwares are conflicting with what, but I hope this helps you guys in diagnosing why your computer crashes on cold boot only, or sometimes it doesn't crash, and it's good for like a week. So, leave a comment down below if this helped you guys, like the video, and subscribe for more tech videos. And as always, have a good one. Bye!